Myself, Dinesh Kalra from Dayanand Public School, Pandusar, Nabha. In this video, I will discuss about packaging of DNA helix from chapter Molecular Basis of the Inheritance. DNA is a very long molecule which has to be accommodated in a small area in a cell. So, DNA packaging is the process of tightly packing up DNA molecule to fit into the nucleus of the cell. Length of DNA depends upon number of nucleotides present in the molecule. For example, in case of E. coli, number of nucleotide is about 4.6 into 10 to the power 6 base pair. Distance between two adjacent base pair is about 0.34 nanometer. So length of DNA comes out to be 1.56 millimeter. Similarly, we can calculate length of human DNA is about 2.2 meter. Now this long DNA has to be accommodated in an area of about 1 micrometer in E. coli and 5 micrometer in the nucleus in human being by packaging and the compaction. In prokaryote such as E. coli, we know that well-defined nucleus is the absent, but still DNA is not scattered here and there. This negatively charged DNA is packed with the positively charged DNA in a small area known as a nuclear DNA. Means in this figure, we can see that DNA is not present all over, but it is present in a particular area. Organization of DNA is much more complex in case of the eukaryotes. In them, it is coiled at different levels to form chromonema of the chromosomes. There are three orders of DNA packaging. First order is explained by nucleosome model. Second is explained by solenoid fiber. Third is explained by scaffold loop chromatid chromosomes. So first of all, Korenberg and the Thomas proposed nucleosome model to explain first level of the coiling. Nucleosome is a disc-shaped structure with a height of about 5.7 nanometer and diameter of about 11 nanometer. In a mammalian cell, about 33 million nucleosomes are the present. So, nucleosome is basically a DNA segment which is coiled around histone octamers like a thread is coiled around the spool. So, histones are small positively charged proteins which are basic in nature due to presence of arginine and the lysine. For histones, H2A, H2B, H3, H4 are present in pair that interact and then form a cylindrical structure. Around this structure, 1.65 tons of about 147 base pair of the DNA are coiled. This DNA is known as the core DNA or the wrapped DNA. So there are many nucleosomes are present in the nucleus of a cell. These nucleosome appears like beads on the string, means these are the nucleosome. These nucleosomes are linked by the linker DNA of 54 base pair and the histone H1 protein, means this green part is the histone H1 protein. So H1 protein is not a part of the histone octamer. It is present where DNA exits and enters the nucleosome. Basically, nucleosome repeats itself at approximately 200 base pair on the average. Second level of the coiling is explained by the solenoid fiber. Means this nucleosome fiber, it will further coil like a solenoid wire to form a fiber. Diameter of fiber is about 300 angstrom. Now this solenoid fiber, it will again undergo the coiling and the supercoiling to form a fiber of about 250 angstrom. Thus, ultimately, chromatin appears in the nucleus. this chromatin will give structure to the chromosome. Some region of the chromatin, they are loosely packed, stay in light, and they are active in nature. That part is known as the euchromatin. Some regions of the chromatin, they are the densely packed, so stains dark. They are inactive in nature. This chromatin is known as the heterochromatin. Let us see what is the importance of DNA packaging. DNA packaging helps the DNA to fit into a small size of the cell. Secondly, it also facilitates easy separation of the chromosomes during cell division. Third, due to highly packed DNA, it is easy to turn gene on or off as per requirement. Let us summarize this model. This is a very simple DNA double helical structure. When this DNA interact with the histone protein, it will form the nucleosomes. These nucleosomes are linked together by the linker DNA and the H1 histone. Then they will undergo the coiling, will form a fiber of about 300 nanometer in the length. This fiber will again undergo the coiling and will form a fiber of the 250 nanometer. Now, tight coiling of this fiber will produce the chromatid of a chromosome. Means, in this video, we have discussed how we can package lengthy DNA into the nucleus of a cell. Thank you.